Hello viewers, welcome to a new tutorial of free learning. This session is about verb. The verb part in a sentence is the most important part. Hope you know the tense of the verb very well, otherwise you can follow our other tutorial on the tense of the verb. Now remember only two things to put the correct verb form. Firstly, identify the sentence whether it is active or passive. Secondly, identify the time reference or the meaning of the sentence. Have a look at the examples. They repair the road now. The road repairs now. They already repaired the road. The first sentence is an active one. Here, the doer of the action is active and does something. The time reference now indicates that the action is in progress at present. So the correct verb form will be expressed in present progressive form. So the answer is they are repairing the road now. But in the sentence number 2, the subject road cannot repair itself. The subject cannot do the prescribed action as it is inanimate. So it's a passive sentence. In case of a passive sentence, the verb form is normally as follows: auxiliary plus past participle of the verb root. Being is put after the auxiliary when the action is in progress, either in the present time or in the past time. So the answer is the road is being repaired now. Look at the sentence number 3. The meaning of the sentence shows that the action is complete at the time of speaking. So the correct verb form will be expressed in present perfect form. So the answer is they have already repaired the road. In case of a passive sentence, the use of been is allowed when the action is complete at the time of speaking. So the answer will be the road has already been repaired. The above analysis clearly shows that a correct verb form depends upon time references and meaning in the given situation. Look at the following examples. He goes to temple every day. He went to temple yesterday. He is going to temple tomorrow. In the above examples, the verb changes in relation to time. In the sentence number 1, when the action takes place in the present time, the present tense of the verb is preferred. In the sentence number 2, when the action refers to the past time, the past form of the verb is used. In the sentence number 3, when the action refers to the futurity, the present tense form of the verb is put. Let's refer to the following table for easy comprehension of the tense of verbs. This table shows the correct verb form in relation to present time. This table indicates the correct verb form in relation to past time. This table shows the correct verb form in relation to future time. Sometimes without time reference, the verb forms change depending upon the meaning. Look at the sentences. All the sentences are in simple present tense because of some reasons. Look at the first sentence. Cows eat grass. It's a habitual action. Next, the sun rises in the east. It's a general truth. Oil floats on water. It's a scientific truth. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. It's a scientific truth. Hope you get some knowledge about the tense of verbs. If you like the tutorial, give me a like, comment, do subscribe my channel for the next tutorial.